Welcome back to Texas E36 Garage, guys. We are back in this back room. You saw us replace these two windows in the last video. We are now going to tackle the two closets. So guys, what the plan is for these two closets, which I don't know why this room had two closets anyways, but as you can see, we have our new plumbing for our washer dryer in this location, and then this is going to be a tabletop, hanging, and all that kind of stuff. We're going to have some accordion doors and all that stuff. So what we need to do is take these two, make them one. So we need to get this removed, this wall removed, sheetrock, shelving, all of that needs to come out, guys. So we're going to start with demo. Well, first we're going to check up here to see if this is a load-bearing wall, which I can't tell because I can't see. It looks like it might be. We're gonna take this AC grill out too. Bye bye. Looks like it might be some sort of load-bearing wall. Yeah, but we're gonna build a new beam that goes across here, so it's no problem. Anyways, so let's start cutting all this stuff out and getting the sheetrock out. And bagged up, guys. Let's jump. I don't know how that happened. Well, guys, I broke a hammer, I cut my finger, but all the sheetrock's off this situation here. Everything's cleaned up. Oh, it's off the walls. I gotta bag it all, clean it all up, get it out of here. Once we do cleanup, we can get all the walls cut out and get everything starting to look like a room. We're going to do 1 6-foot opening and get it where we have sliding pass doors, guys. But let's get all this cleaned up and get it to where we can start cutting out some studs. So guys, we are to sledgehammer time. We have all the sheetrock off, everything that we need to in these closets. We are going to remove this, all of that up there, and this dividing wall in between that I don't know if you guys can see. We're going to leave this here because we're going to put another wall here, another stud right there, and make our 6-foot opening, guys. So let's start hammering. Well, guys, we are fully open now. We have everything removed. And this is basically what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be open, washer dryers go in there. We're gonna have some shelving over here, and a hang bar. But pretty much that is it, guys. We are pretty much done in this area, except for we are going to. So as you can see, the subfloor, we're gonna run all new subfloor in here, all that kind of stuff, and get this back to a full single level floor and the hose room. So, but guys, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna measure 6 feet over for our doors, and we're gonna put a beam here. I mean, not beam, a stud here, and then we're gonna measure up. We gotta go to Home Depot, which we're gonna head there in a little bit, and we'll measure our doors height, and we'll frame in for the doors, which I think this actually comes to here, and that's gonna be a 6 foot opening, and we'll frame in, and then we'll get the sheetrocking, because we pretty much are done in here. There's nothing else gonna go in here, so we'll just sheetrock, French in for the lines, and basically get this little room done and framed in so that we can get some doors on that, and then that'll be done, guys. But that was Marissa calling. Need to call her back because we're headed to Home Depot, guys. So guys, I didn't film us doing this. We just kind of got into it and forgot the camera was there, guys. So what you see is our new opening for our accordion doors. They're going to go here. We have sheetrock, the walls, ceiling, and we have our water and hot water and cold water for the washer dryer. So we are good to go, guys. We just have a little bit of sheetrock to finish up in here, and then we can go back to subfloor and be done. But that's it for this video, guys. Tune in next time. Gonna be doing some more stuff, moving to the bathroom, and so on and so forth. I don't know if you can see, guys, but we have our first door hung too. I will walk you through in the next video how to hang the door and everything, but I need to get this door up so we get this room secured. The cat was trying to get out, so we need to secure the room. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next video. Go like the video, subscribe, comment below, go buy a sticker off the website, links in the description, guys, and I'll see you next video.